What's up guys, welcome back. It's another video. In this video, I'll be showing you what's better, Coolify or CapRover. So you're trying to decide between Coolify and CapRover here for hosting and managing your web applications. So both are solid self-hosted platforms that makes it much easier to deploy and manage apps. But they each have their own vibe, and depending on your experience level, what you're looking for, one might suit you better than the other. So let's start with Coolify here. So Coolify is built to be simple and beginner friendly. It's designed for people who want to get their apps up and running without having to learn a bunch of complex tools or settings. It has a clean, easy to use interface that makes deploying apps feel almost effortlessly. Under the hood, it uses Docker, so it supports a wide range of applications like Node.js, Python, and a lot more, but it handles most of the complexity for you. It's great if you're working on small to medium-sized projects and you want to focus more on your app than on server management. So basically, Coolify is perfect if you're you're just getting into self-hosted deployments and want something that works out of the box. Now, let's move on into CapRover. Now, CapRover leans more toward users who want a bit more control. It's still user friendly and also uses Docker behind the scenes, but it's a little bit more developer focused. Now, CapRover is great for setting up multiple apps on the same server, easily scaling them and managing database, and setting up SSL, basically all the things you'd expect from a full-featured platform, but with a simple UI layered on top. If you're a developer who want more customization and flexibility but without getting into the weeds of Kubernetes or other heavy infrastructure tools, CapRover is a solid choice. Now, the big difference here is that Coolify shines when you want speed and simplicity and quick results. Now, CapRover shines when you want more hands-on control, scalability, and a bit more power under the hood. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.